beautiful in the garden today is this lovely Clematis, Nelly Moser, I believe it's what it's called, and Henry I, the white one. And I thought for sure I pulled this up from the root because it was just so bushy and out of control. And obviously I didn't get it all, and it came back and it's looking lovely. So the Clematis on the vine, it has plenty of buds. These beautiful Gladiolus. Now, in my area, they're supposed to be an annual, but lately they have been coming back, and I am so pleased. I don't know the name. All I know is it's red. It kind of looks a little orange, which I love. And there's more to come. Look at this. So yeah, I'm enjoying the Gladiolus that's popping up, even though they are not supposed to be a perennial in our zone 6B. I made a little vase full of flowers just because we've had so much rain and things were kind of tossed here and there, so I decided to make a little vase and put it right here as you enter into the house. And I love the combination of flowers. We got gladiolus, coneflower, hydrangea, just all kinds of things. And for my filler, I used a piece of my forsythia stem, which is right back here. This is a filler. So I think it looks really nice. I love the gladiolus, the orange splash in the center. I think that's really pretty. It is August 23rd. I have never had an amaryllis growing in the late summer. This is a first for me. I have 4 of them. Just sitting out here enjoying the summer, and this one decided to bloom. I believe the name of this one is Neon, and she has 4, 2 getting ready to open or try to open, and there's another one right there. I am so happy to see you this late in the season. I usually see these blooming in, January, February, March, somewhere around that time, but never in August. Okay, that is what's beautiful in the garden today.